Did you know that feelings and IT can actually go hand in hand and be your personal superpower? I haven't raised talking about emotions. You know, when my parents would fight, my dad maybe walk out in a dramatic gesture and comes a couple of hours back, and then they act as if nothing happened, and it was never discussed. So I was like, yeah, no wonder you guys are divorced, you know? I want to do it differently. To get in touch more with myself and my feelings, I've noticed that, you know, it's not inherent to me. So I've started looking for a coach in that sense, and just via that somebody came on my path. So I've been working with a feminine embodiment coach. What this coach really taught me is giving space for myself to express things that are under the surface and to give it an expression. It would contain of two components, a feminine and masculine, and the feminine being the sound, breath and movement, and the masculine being the silent meditation and awareness. And just this tool set that I gathered from her, like, I don't know, from each moment whenever it's too much or whatever I need, like, I just think it's very valuable to move that emotion and give it a place so that it's, you know, expressed and it doesn't bother you under the surface, or it doesn't wait until it's triggered and then it comes out in a very ugly way. Give it some expression and then you can move on. And let's say you have masculine and feminine characteristics, right? I don't mean gender at all. I mean like personality traits. For example, I'm quite goal-oriented. I'm very structured and organized. Those are usually our characteristics that you usually meet with men, but it doesn't mean that women cannot have them. I'm in that sense quite a masculine woman. But then I also have my feminine qualities, which are more introspective, creative and playful and spontaneous. In a lot of situations when I know there's enough masculine characteristics there, then I know that the power can be more in observing, more in the receiving of all the signals and information, rather than just sending it out, and just more the subtle hints and being empathetic towards your colleagues or whoever. That can also lead to a lot of trust and understanding. And as a consultant and as a person that lived in many different countries, I'm quite adaptable. I can do that really well. I know that's my strong side, also one of my feminine sides, so to say. It's nice that you can use the adaptability at your client and actually gain something out of that. But I don't want to be doing that in my home organization, so to say. So the organization that I belong to, I won't just be able to be myself. And specifically within my team, I do believe we have a very safe environment to just, you know, really also talk about the feelings and being my authentic self and not feeling judged for it. That's what Xebia gives me. I would highly recommend to find expression for all of the feelings that you have underneath, and just find your way that works for you. It can be talking, it can be writing, it can be moving. Sports is a lot. It's about doing it intentionally. So going with that intention, like, oh, let's move all of this that is inside of me and give it an expression. I would say that's the core. Yeah, it can be via coach, it can be via therapy, it can be via, I don't know, many different options. There are many roads leading to Rome.